She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. It's birthday time here in my household, so I'm going to go ahead and whip up some delicious birthday cake cookies. Now I guarantee guys this is going to be probably one of the most easiest cookie recipes that you will find, so you definitely don't want to miss this one. If you do like the idea of a nice birthday cookie, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also y'all, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. If you can, please share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a brand new video. So let's go ahead and get this celebration started.
My heart is made of stone. I know it's not my fault. It's just the way it is, love. My childhood was a bore. My feelings got ignored. Now I get back to now, love. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal, stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a rover, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts. I'm not coming to your birthday party. You know I can't dance when I'm broken hearted. My family don't care. I guess they're unaware. I moved out of the nest then. The city's cold and dark, inspires all my art, but I just get so messed up. Got me feeling like I stepped on legal, stressing on my way to work. My way to work. Smiling like a rover, try my best to cover up how much it hurts. You know it hurts.
Alright guys, so here we have it, the birthday cake cookies. Again, you can use any type of cake mix that you wish. In this case, I just used a plain basic white cake mix. A yellow cake mix would be fine. Chocolate would be even better. Add any kind of sprinkles, or you could even add chocolate morsels or nuts. Anything to kick that celebration cookie up for you. Go ahead and try it. Either way you do them, you're gonna love these birthday cake cookies. They kind of remind me, if you guys are familiar with the old school Lighthouse brand of cookies that were so soft they pretty much melted in your mouth. They were delicious sugar cookie. These definitely give me Lighthouse cookie vibes. So if you did enjoy those cookies, or you know which ones I'm talking about, definitely give this recipe a try, you guys. So hopefully you guys did get into this celebration spirit with these birthday cake cookies. If you enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also guys, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.